welcome back, Team Mukundi Africa. We are back live. The problem is that network in Zimbabwe is so disappointing. We have lost signal several times, but we are connected yet again. And these police are still barricading the gate of Rudaka Stadium, and we are here to show you what is happening live. So in front of me here is Rutaga Stadium, as you can see, and these are the gates of Rutaga Stadium. And here is the riot police in full gear and ready to make sure that they stop this rally. So you can actually see that the leaders of the police, they are on a phone call. We don't know whoever they are talking to, but they seem to be on a phone call. And this is the situation right away, right now. And we are still waiting to see if we can get clearance. The court order was granted in Harare, and Honorable Amos Chibaya and the other leadership, I can see, as you can see in the video there is Honorable Wende, there is the Honorable Chibaya. They are talking to the leadership of the police in Mashonaland East here. So you can actually see here, the state has made sure that they deploy their security to make sure that they block what is happening here. A lot of people have gathered here. We have thousands of people who are waiting to be addressed by Honorable President, Advocate Nelson Chamisa. So this is what is happening. Let us try to see if we can get uh, live coverage. So this is the situation in Marondera. We are covering live in Marondera. So the rally has been bad, and the lawyers at Marondera Magistrates Court, where they are trying to obtain a court order um, regarding this matter. So they are supposed to address the issue of MOPA at Marondera Magistrates Court, and they just need a few minutes to make a confirmation. However, the police has made a directive that all people be dismissed at the moment, and the police is on standby. The leadership is on standby to hear from the courts. So let's hear more of what is happening here. So this is the situation at the moment. You can actually see live updates. So let's share to see if we can get more people being informed of what is happening in the Zimbabwe government. There is tyranny in Zimbabwe. There is lawlessness in Zimbabwe. We have seen the rally being bad, and it's so unfortunate that that is what is happening. So as you can see, the leadership is having a conversation. The police is still on standby, still adamant. They want to disperse the people, and we are going to continue updating and giving you live updates of what is really happening and transpiring here in Marondera. So Team Zimbabwe, we all need change, and everyone else is ready for to bring this change. But thousands and thousands have been blocked to hear President Chamisa speaking. As I mentioned earlier, Rutaka Stadium has been barricaded, has been closed. It is quite unfortunate that we have such an incident happening. So we are still waiting to get a determination from the lawyers whilst we wait, we want to go and hear what Madzibaba is addressing here. Madzibaba Wegemenzi is on the ground as usual. He's a very loyal cadre to the struggle. And we have different people here who are here. So you can actually see that a lot of people in a jovial mood, they are celebrating, they are happy with what is happening here. So live in Marondera, live at Rugdaka Stadium, this is what is happening.
Chiripo chandaona, chiripo chandaona, Zanu ya ora, chiripo chandaona, chiripo chandaona, Zanu ya ora, chiripo chandaona, Okay. Saka manager HR.
And this is so we are live. I don't know if we. Hello, Team Zimbabwe. I am with Comrade Ostalos here. So I would want him to address the nation of Zimbabwe briefly here live. Comrade Ostalos.
No, thank you very much, fellow Zimbabweans. As you can see, we are painting Marondera yellow
Our people are here. We have organized our people to meet the people of Marondera. ZANU-PF is trying by all the means necessary to try and stop us. But we know it's an old trick in the book. We are prepared to surrender ourselves before we surrender this project. So we're here. We're going to address the people of Marondera, because that is our objective. ZANU can determine what happens to the political program of its own opponents. So we are very clear. We are here. Citizens must be assured that this is their movement. This is the movement that is going to bring change and transformation in our motherland. It's a coalition of citizens. It's a coalition of ordinary people. Everyone's blood is painted yellow. As you can see, thousands of people are here. So we are very clear. We are going ahead with our program. We invite everyone to come. We say yellow Marondera, yellow Sarajay. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So this is the situation in Marondera, and the leadership is here. The people are here in their thousands, and the people are determined to make sure that they bring change here in Marondera. So as you can see here, Madzibaba is busy entertaining the crowd here, while we wait for the outcome in the Marondera Magistrates Court. So people are in a jovial mood. So people are still invited, as you have heard from Comrade Ostalos, who is the deputy spokesperson of the CCC Zimbabwe. They are determined to make sure that people get to meet their president. And as we wait for the outcome of the court proceedings, let's continue to cover this program as mandated. So we hope that we'll be able to cover as many as possible, as many rallies as possible. So we are determined. So Team Zimbabwe, as you can see, people are determined. There are thousands and thousands and thousands of people. Other people have returned home because of this situation, because they've tried, they've barred this gathering, they've barred, they are denying people a chance to speak to their leaders. They are denying people a chance to actually be part of this project. So we are going to continue. We are going to cut off, then we will continue giving you live updates. In the meantime, stay tuned.